Today was a bad day at work. I want to tell you what happened. I start work at 9 a.m. I usually feel happy when I begin my day, but today was different. I woke up late because my alarm did not ring. I hurried to get ready, but I still arrived at work 30 minutes late. When I got to the office, my boss was waiting for me. She looked upset and asked why I was late. I apologized and explained about my alarm. She told me to be on time next time. I felt embarrassed and nervous. After that, I went to my desk. I had a lot of work to do, but I felt tired and stressed. I started with the most important tasks. I had to finish a report for a big meeting, but I could not find some important documents. I looked everywhere but could not find them. I felt frustrated and worried. While I was searching, my coworker, Sam, came over to ask for help with a project. I told him I was busy and needed to find the missing documents. Sam said he understood and left me alone. I felt bad for not helping him, but I needed to finish my own work. At lunchtime, I went to the break room. I was looking forward to eating my sandwich, but when I opened my lunchbox, I realized I had forgotten to bring it. I had to buy lunch from the vending machine, which was not very tasty. I was hungry and not happy with my lunch. In the afternoon, things did not get better. I finally found the missing documents but made some mistakes while working on the report. I had to redo several parts. My boss asked me to send the report by 4 p.m., but I was still working on it at 3:30 p.m. I felt stressed and rushed. When it was almost time to leave work, I got a phone call from a client. They were unhappy with a project we completed last week. Even though it was a bad day, I learned a few things. I realized that waking up late and not being prepared can cause problems. I also learned the importance of asking for help when needed and staying calm under pressure. Tomorrow is a new day, and I hope it will be better. I will try to start my day on time, be organized, and handle problems more calmly. A bad day at work can be tough, but it also helps me learn and grow.